Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and it is fall, and this is my Pee Gee Hydrangea, or Hydrangea paniculata. This is usually sold as a shrub, but you can train it like I have. This has been here a long time, like more than 20 years, and I've pruned it into a tree shape. And now that it's fall, it's a good time to harvest some of these blooms. Look what I found. I found this at an antique store. It's like a wire Victorian frame for dried flowers. I'm going to hang it by my porch. And I'm going to harvest some of these Pee Gee hydrangeas to go into it. Now, what I want to tell you is that this type of a hydrangea, unlike the big blue round balls of hydrangeas, this type of hydrangea can be pruned in the fall. The general rule of green thumb: shorten all the branches at least by a third. And the reason I'm going to do that is because that will give me larger blooms next year. Now you can also wait and do this pruning of these Pee Gee hydrangeas like in the winter or very early spring before it starts growth. Here's some more. But I want to use the blooms because they will dry. And if I keep these out of the rain by displaying them on a covered porch, I put some of the bigger ones in a great big old wine barrel on my front porch. And I want to show you something. See how small these flowers are? If you look way up here, here's a great big one. And the reason this bloom is so large is because this branch was pruned way back in early spring, so there was no side branches. So you have the decision: do you want to do less pruning and get many small flowers, or do you want to do more pruning in the fall or late winter and get great big flowers? I do half and half, so I get small flowers and I get large blooms to use on my porch. So now once I have these cut, it's simple to strip off the lower leaves because they don't dry as well as the flowers do. And then they go very nicely into my wire vase, and come on and see how they look right by my porch. Okay, so this little vase has a hook on the back, have a nail in the wall, super easy to hang on the wall. Enjoy the dry Pee Gee hydrangeas. You can see on my front door I also made a hydrangea wreath out of my big leaf hydrangeas. And then, of course, I also use my largest Pee Gee hydrangea blossoms, and I just arrange them in an old wine press. So when summer's over, that doesn't mean enjoyment of your hydrangeas should be over, because hydrangeas are a wonderful flower for drying and using into the fall. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.